Hello friends, my name is Pramod, and in this video I will explain the process to install Python version 3.7.3 on Windows 10. To begin, I will take you to my blog where I have mentioned the steps and the links, and then we apply those steps into the action. So you can see here I have written a blog. I will click on that, and this gives you the step-by-step process to install Python. So according to it, first step is to go to the Python org, and then second step is to go to the download section, and then download sections we can find the latest Python version. We need to download it and install in our PC, and then after installing it we need to check whether the Python version is properly installed or not. So let's begin this in action. I just given the link here for a python.org site, where I will click here. It will take me to this site where you can find download section here. As I want to install the Python in Windows, so I will click simply on Windows. When I click on Windows, you can see there is a latest version of Python is available here for download. I will install the Python 3.7.3. So to install it, I will go down. If my computer is 64-bit, then I can install this executable file. And if I want to install 32-bit, then I can install this executable file, which I'm highlighting here. So in case you want a older version of the Python, you can go down and see for your version. So as I have to install 3.7.3, so I will download executable file. Once the download is done, just click on executable file. A pop-up will come. Do not forget to click add Python 3.7 to path and then install now. Now the installation process has been completed. We can close this window. Now the Python is installed. Let's check if it has been installed properly. For that, go to the window, search for command prompt, write cmd. A command prompt will appear. Click on command prompt and now type Python. You can see the Python shell appears for Python version 3.7.3.